How do you make an appointment with a career counselor? It's simple. Go to one.sjsu.edu, search Spartan Connect, and click the application. Once you have entered the homepage, click on the blue box that says Appointments, Drop-ins, and Workshops and Events. Under What Service Area would you like, select Career Counseling. Then, select the reason for your appointment, such as considering an offer, exploring careers or majors, resume and cover letter help, etc. For support with your class schedule, graduation planning, and declaring or changing a major, please schedule an appointment with an academic or faculty advisor in your college. Then, you can select your appointment date. In this case, I'm choosing today's date. On the right-hand side of the screen are the available time slots of all our career counselors. If you want to meet with your assigned counselor, click the staff drop box under the calendar and your counselor will be the first option. If your counselor's time slots are all booked, you can schedule an appointment with another counselor or email your assigned counselor directly. Please note you can only view appointments as far as 2 weeks, so check back for new available appointments. You can narrow your options further by selecting an in-person or virtual appointment. Once the date and time are selected, the site will direct you to a review page. If you want to add comments or concerns, address them in the box. Check these boxes if you're interested in receiving a reminder through email or text. Click Schedule once you've thoroughly reviewed the appointment details. Your appointment is officially scheduled. You can click the left button to view your appointment, or click the right button to schedule another appointment. Remember to bookmark your calendar with your appointment date and time so you don't miss it. If you need to cancel your appointment, go to the Upcoming Appointments. Then go to the bottom left and click Cancel Appointment. Select the reason for your cancellation and type additional comments if needed. On the bottom right, select Mark as Cancelled inside the blue icon. You have now successfully canceled your appointment.